In this video, you will learn how to install Mediapipe library in the Visual Studio Code editor. And do hit the like button if you find this video useful. Now, the prerequisite for this installation is that you need to have this Visual Studio Code and the Python installed into your system. But if you do not have the Python installed into your system, then I have already created a separate video for that, and you would find the link of that video in the description below. So once we have the Visual Studio and the Python installed, we will open that Python project in Visual Studio Code for which we want to install Mediapipe library. And for that, we will click on this file here, then go to this open. And now we will navigate to the location where our project is present. So for me, it is present inside this downloads folder. So I will go to the downloads, then projects, and here I will select this Mediapipe project. And finally, I will click on this open here. Now, before installing Mediapipe, we will create a virtual environment for this opened project, because it is recommended to have a separate virtual environment for each of the Python project. So we will also create the virtual environment first, and after that only we will install the Mediapipe library inside the created virtual environment. But in case you already have the virtual environment for your project, then you can skip the creation part and directly activate the environment. And after that, you can install the Mediapipe library inside the activated environment. So to create the virtual environment, first we will open the terminal, and for that we will click on this terminal here. Now we will select this new terminal. So our terminal is opened now, and in this terminal we will type Python 3 space -m space venv space, and now we will give the name of the virtual environment which we want to create. So let's say this is my env. So this command is for Mac system, but in case you are using Windows, then you would see the command on screen. Now we will hit enter to execute this particular command. And once this command is executed successfully, we will see this myenv folder which is created inside our project folder. And this myenv folder will have all the necessary scripts and libraries in it. Now we will activate this created environment, and for that we will write source space myenv /bin /activate. Now again, this command is for macOS, and for Windows you would see the command on screen. Now we will hit enter, and as soon as this command is executed, we will see this myenv within these brackets. And now finally we will install the Mediapipe library in this activated virtual environment. So we will type pip3 space install space Mediapipe. And once this is installed, we will see this message of successful installation. Now to verify the installation, let's print all the libraries that are currently installed in the current activated environment. So let me first clear the terminal so that it would be better visible to you. Now here we will run this command, which is pip space list. So this will list down all the packages which are installed in the current activated environment. And here we will see this Mediapipe library as well, which has this particular version. And also you would see some other libraries here which got installed along with the Mediapipe, because these are the dependent libraries that are required for the proper functioning of Mediapipe. Now we will write a small Python script which will verify whether this Mediapipe library is installed properly or not. So first we will create a Python file, and for that we will click on this new file icon here. Let's now give the name of the file. So let's say this is main.py. So this main.py file is created inside our project folder. And now in this file, first of all, we will import this Mediapipe module. So we will write import then Mediapipe And now we will also print the version of Mediapipe. So we will write print then Mediapipe dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. Let's now save this file using command S. And now to run this program, we will again come to the terminal, and here we will type python space main.py. So now let me know in comments if this video was useful to you, and make sure to hit the like button. So our code is executed successfully, and we have got the version of Mediapipe here, which is same as this one. So the Mediapipe library is installed properly, and we can use this for our Python projects now.